Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka I See You Glam, and we are back this time with a little mini lip tutorial. Guys, I have been so intrigued with all things lips. If you don't know already, I See You Glam Cosmetics will be expanding our line very soon with all new lip products, and that has led me to try all things lips within the past few weeks. And this time we are overlining our lips. Yes, we are overlining our lips to make them extra full and extra juicy. So if you're interested in learning how I overline my lips, subscribe, like, and stay tuned. So first we are going to go in with a dark brown lip liner. Of course, I will be using I See You Glam Cosmetics Cocoa Brown Cocoa Shea lip liner for this tutorial. Lip liner hasn't dropped yet, but it will be dropping very soon. It is a very true brown hued lip liner and I love her. And I am just going to take that lip liner and start overlining my lips, okay? Honestly, guys, everything I've learned about this technique, I learned from YouTube, I learned from Google, okay? So, bear with me, okay? I am just taking my lip liner and I'm laughing as I'm doing this because literally all I'm doing is overlining my lips. So the idea is that you want to line your lips as you normally would. So you'll line on or just inside of your natural lip line as you do, but you now want to extend that lip line to go just outside of your natural lip line. So I don't know if you guys can tell from this video, but I naturally have this like kind of protruding natural lip line. So my guide was my natural lip line, and I started by drawing right on top of that line, which I don't normally do, and then dragging it upwards and outwards. And I think the key to this technique is creating a flawless and seamless blend. So you don't want to just draw or overline your lips and leave it at that. You kind of want to take that lip liner and drag it inside your lip. So you want to create sort of that ombre kind of cast effect. You don't want there to be this like obvious like, okay, she just drew a lip line around her lips and then put her lip color inside. I think once you drag that lip liner inside, it kind of helps things blend and create a more of an illusion, more of that like, okay, these could be her real lips, okay? So I did that on the top of my lip very obviously. On the bottom of my lip, I didn't do it as much. I didn't overline as much because I didn't want there to be a bleed when I started talking or when my lips moved. I didn't want that brown lip line to kind of move all over the place. So I just slightly overlined on the bottom, but you'll see here, I do still draw right on top of my natural lip line and then slightly on the outside and drag it inside to create that blend. Okay, and this lip liner is Love. She glides on perfectly. This is our Cocoa Shea lip liner that will be dropping very, very soon, and I cannot wait for you guys to shop her. Then I'm taking my beauty blender and cleaning up any mistakes I may have made, cleaning up my edges and all of that good stuff. And I'm going to go back in with the lip liner again and kind of just clean up and sharpen my lines and create more definition around my cupid's bow. I think what I love most about this technique is you can really accentuate your cupid's bow. Love that. So now I'm going to go in with my lip color, and this is I See You Glam Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Poppy Crisp. She is a gorgeous red orange that I think is going to be delicious for summertime and really all times of the year. Like, look how easily she just swatched, okay? Super pigmented, you guys are gonna love. But oh my gosh, wait, I forgot a part of the technique. I forgot you're supposed to take your lip liner and draw these 3 lines to kind of create a fuller, more contoured illusion on your lips. I told you, YouTube and Google taught me, okay? This is what we need to do. So now we're gonna go in with our Poppy Crisp liquid lipstick and just dab our color in. So I start in the inside of my lips, and these colors are super pigmented, so really a little bit goes a long way. I start in the middle and then just use my lips and my finger to blend, and that's what you guys will see me doing here. Now you want to, again, we want to create a seamless blend. You want to create a flawless illusion. You don't want people to know, and you don't want it to be so obvious that you have overlined your lips. Like, of course, if someone is stalking you in the front of your face, they may be able to tell, but we're trying to keep that to a minimum. So you want to take that lip color, and as you guys can see that I'm doing, you want to go pretty close to that overline and pretty close to your natural lip line. We still have that ombre effect. We want to keep the ombre effect because it's super pretty and super gorgeous, but you want to get as close to the natural lip line as you can without completely taking away ombre effect. I think that really helps with the seamless blend and the flawless illusion. That is this technique. And I'm not going to lie to y'all, like I really low-key like this. And I'm just taking my lip liner. Once the color is applied, I'm fixing my edges, and bam, baby, we are on. Like, this is very, like, I know people are going to be like, you already have full lips, you didn't need to do this, but honestly I did, because I like the technique and I think it's super cute, and I think it's an easy way to get fuller lips in an instant. I hope you guys like this. I hope you loved it. I hope you learned something. As always, I love you. I'll see you next time.